You ever been at a restaurant trying to look all sophisticated? Then boom, there's no menu. It's just this weird square thing made of black and white pixels sitting on the table like it owns the place. Yep, that's a QR code. And somehow your phone just knows what to do with it. You aim your camera and bam, menu, or payment, or someone's sketchy mixtape. But have you ever wondered how the heck that pixelated mess actually works? And well, too bad we're doing this anyway. So welcome to Think Bits, where we explain stuff you didn't ask about, but now you kind of want to know. So here's the deal. QR stands for quick response. Basic code might just say, hey, open this website. A more complex one can hold full sentences, contact info, Wi-Fi passwords, or even cryptocurrency wallet addresses. So yeah, you could technically put your entire breakup letter in a QR code. Might be cold, but hey, efficient. Yeah, fancy name for a box that looks like a baby barcode on steroids. That means even if part of the code is smudged, torn, or covered by your greasy thumb, your phone can still figure it out. There are different levels of error correction, like low, medium, high, and very high. They can hold links, text, contact info, or secret messages if you're into that spy life. Your camera processes the code, figures out the direction, corrects any smudges, and boom, you get a digital result. Simple but genius, like duct tape or pizza rolls. Slightly less boring. If you learned something, awesome. If you didn't, at least now you can pretend you know what you're redoing next time you scan your way into a menu. Peace out. You don't need a license, a degree, or the blessing of some tech overlord. And you, my friend, are participating in one of the laziest yet most high-tech interactions ever created by mankind. Bravo. You just go online, type in what you want it to say, and boom, you've got yourself a QR code. Print it, tattoo it, turn it into a t-shirt, go wild. Just maybe don't tattoo your banking info. Or do. I'm not your mom. The higher it is, the more messed up it can be and still work. What's like the drunk friend of the digital world still functioning somehow, despite the damage. A QR code is basically a grid made up of little black and white squares. Some guy in Japan invented them to track car parts, not Instagram accounts. But of course, we took that and slapped it on every billboard, poster, flyer, and bathroom stall we could find. Because nothing says trust me like scanning a code next to a hand dryer that hasn't worked since the Bush administration. Well, QR codes are just easy. No wires, no apps, no accounts. Just point, scan, done. It's like microwave popcorn for the digital age. Plus, they're cheap to make and can be used on pretty much anything. Paper, glass, t-shirts, airplane wings. Seriously, someone put one on a cow once. We don't ask why. Your camera app or the built-in QR scanner processes the pattern. It finds 3 big squares in the corners of the code. Those are called position markers. There's something called alignment markers too, which help it stay accurate even if the code is wrinkled or stuck to a coffee cup that's been through some things. But just like those suspicious links your cousin sends you at 3 a.m., they can be shady. Some hackers create fake QR codes that look real but lead to malware, phishing sites, or places that'll make your antivirus weep. So yeah, don't go scanning random codes off bathroom walls unless you're ready for digital heartbreak. Always trust the source. If it looks sketchy, it probably is. Then it reads the tiny squares, line by line, and translates that into binary code. Ones and zeros, the digital version of yes or no, like your love life, but with more precision. They tell your phone which way is up, down, or sideways. Because some of us scan like we're trying to film a TikTok dance all tilted and chaotic. Think of it like digital Lego. The black squares mean one thing, the white ones mean another. When you throw them all together in a certain pattern, boom, you've got a message. Not a secret message or anything, it's usually just a link to a website, someone's Venmo, or an ad pretending to be a discount. It's like the digital version of a trap, but a helpful one, sometimes. And that's basically what it is. It's a 2-dimensional barcode that can hold way more information than those skinny lines on your cereal box. Like if barcodes are your grandpa's flip phone, QR codes are the obnoxious new smartphone that tracks your every move and probably makes avocado toast. Now let's get into the nerdy part, but don't worry, I'll keep it chill. Here's how it actually functions. When your camera sees the QR code, it's not just snapping a photo like a tourist at Niagara Falls. Once it locks onto the position, your phone checks the rest of the pattern. Now, depending on how complicated the QR code is, it can store different kinds of info. What's wild is QR codes even have built-in error correction. Now here's something weird. QR codes are actually super old, like 1994 old. And get this, they're open source. That means anyone can make one. Let's talk about safety though. Most QR codes are harmless. Now you might be wondering, why do we even need QR codes when we have links and NFC and a million other ways to do things? Right, quick recap. QR codes are pixelated barcodes that your phone reads using position markers and binary code. So the next time you scan one of those funky squares, just know that your phone is actually doing some wild math and image processing behind the scenes. That's it for today's episode of Think Bits, where we take tech that sounds boring and make it